What are your retirement plans? Well, this exercise 4 talks about your retirement plans. You need to know when you need to retire, and so you plan to have enough assets built by that time. Just because you retire does not mean you're going to be financially independent. Financially independence actually means you have enough assets built up so you can have enough income from those assets once you retire. Retirement just means you stop working. Just because you stop working does not mean you have the money to. So to have financial independence is actually something you have to plan. In this sections, we're going to see 3 questions, which we'll talk about next.
So look in the Excel file, you'll scroll down to exercise 4, retirement plans. There are 3 questions. The first question is how many years before retirement? This is how many years you plan to work before you retire. So you could put 5, 10, 15, whatever, how many years, you just write that in there. You get to choose. The lowest you can go is 1 and the highest you can go is 30. So you choose whatever it is based on your plans. Expected inflation rate is what's the percentage you expect the goods and services you buy to go up. So if you think that every year the goods and services you buy go up by 3%, then you put 3%. 3% is a good average, if you're in the United States. And then question 3 is the expected rate of return on investment. So if you have some experience with investments, you know how much of a return you get for your investments. You can put that in there. If you have no experience, you might want to go as low as 3%. But remember, the important thing to remember here is that if you have no experience, do not be too aggressive because you could end up losing your principal. Because the goal here is to preserve your principal at retirement. So if you don't, the higher the interest rate, the more the risk you're taking.